All right, y'all. We are live on this very intense. What day is it even? Is it a Monday? I don't know. I don't know. What is going on, y'all? What is going on? Do you want to come in and make a quick update for us right here because there's something crazy that's just happened and I need to talk about it. And it's this. You guys know, I'm sure you know, of somebody who says often that they're literally shaking. Somebody who often starts the videos by saying, "Today for the Bitcoin price," right? Well, honestly, guys, I mean this 100%. I am literally shaking right now. I am absolutely shaking because the scariest thing just happened to me, which was also, I'm highly caffeinated. I didn't get a chance. I didn't get a chance to exercise today, and I have all this. Caffeine in me. And yes, guys, I'm short. I'm short. I'm short. Let me tell you what happened, and then I'm gonna go into my analysis here. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what happened, then I'm gonna go into my analysis here. So what happened was on the 1 minute time frame, I saw that we were getting a bearish divergence as we were coming above this high here, just this very, very overextended market, right? And so I took a short from right here, and it was going to be a scalp, and I started to see that we had longs being trapped up at the top. Okay, it was good. And then there was an area of consolidation, and boom, we just drop, right? We drop, and it was a nice trade. Okay, let me just show you the position here. So I shorted from 46,513, and it was up in massive profits. And what happened was I had a long limit order set down here at this golden pocket because this morning when I posted my analysis, there was a potential area I was looking to long if we came down lower. Which was this confluence here between this local golden pocket here, and then we had a 786 there with the bigger golden pocket. I was thinking potentially I'd long from there. I had a limit order set. I forgot about it. So all of a sudden now, because I've already been taking profits out of my short on the way down, all of a sudden now that limit long closed out my entire short right here. Okay, and now I'm in a long, and I see the profits just tanking, right? Because I'm like, oh no, I'm long, and I see the P&L going down, 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 freaking myself out, and I'm like, oh no. But then, turns out it wasn't a bad move because we actually did then swing failure pattern. The chickens got thirsty down in here, and now I'm in a long, right? And so now it's so crazy, but now I'm in a long. And it works out pretty dang well because the long is now up in profit, almost 20% from 44,677. So I got out of the short at 44.4, and the average entry for the long was 44,677. And then I'm freaking out on the long, and I'm kind of riding the bounce. And then when we get up to this area here, I was able to get back into a short position because I saw that, even though we're getting a bounce here, money flow is still coming down on the 1 minute. And we also hit into a level. So you could see that we hit perfectly into this fib level right here, this 382. And so I could see also on the 1 minute as we're hitting into that level that the VWAP was coming down. I'm like, okay, I'm going to get back into the short here. And so I did. I got back into the short, and I'm still in that short. And that short is, I took some profits. I'm still in it, but it was up massive profits. So I flop and groped my way, guys, to some significant gains here. This is what the last 3 days of my P&L looks like for BTC USD. Of course, I'm not showing the money here, just showing the line. I'm literally shaking, guys. That was a scary thing. I'm usually very calm and controlled while I'm trading, but I was flopping and groping my It's just crazy, guys. So right now in the 1 minute, we are getting a money flow cross under. And I'm going to have to make this video kind of quick today, guys. But really, this is... I don't even know what happened. Unfortunately, I was in a long from 43.6 on PHEMEX. That long is now stopped out. I'm currently only short on Bitcoin and awaiting my next move. Right now, on the 1 hour time frame, we did have a lot of momentum. So when we got this move to the upside, we did have a nice little swing failure, chickens drinking water, whether you're southern or not, that's how you would call it. But you could see here that we put in this low. We came in, we put in a lower low, and we got a very fast buy up from there. And then we got this massive pump. Shout out to everybody in the VIP Discord. I know a lot of you guys longed that. I did not. And before we got this move up, we were kind of looking at the price action here, saying, if we pull a fixed range, actually, from right here, we can see that we were finding some very important support right along this golden pocket right here, right along the local value area low. Actually, for some reason, I had this value area low at a different place. Maybe that's a different level. But whatever the case, we're finding some important support down here. And I'm basically saying, you know, if we lose this support, then I'm looking down to lower levels. Specifically, we have this very important level down here, which is a golden pocket. We also have a wick down here, potentially where the chickens could drink water. But we had been rejecting multiple times off of this this point of control up here and this daily level multiple times. Yesterday, the Bitcoin short that we took, posted in the Discord here, was the short from the point of control and that daily level up here. And that trade was in very much profits, which I didn't actually post in here. That's okay. And then later that night, I took a very small scalp long. But so basically, I was kind of saying, okay, look, we are not able to reclaim this point of control as our support, and we're still unable to, guys. After this pump and dump, the place where we rejected from is extremely bearish, in a sense that, you know, this is a very strong area of resistance, and we've rejected off it now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We've had a massive dump downwards, and right now, this is kind of what I'm seeing in the charts. So we have the money flow curving up on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, we have what looks like a possible bullish divergence. Even though money flow is coming down, we have a possible bullish divergence on the 4 hour. The 1 hour money flow, the 1 hour momentum wave is about to cross below the zero line. So we can see the VWAP is about to point down. What this potentially could do, and what I'm kind of looking for right now, is for us to get an uneven butt cheeks on the 1 hour. If price happens to come down to these levels here, and we get uneven butt cheeks on the 1 hour, that would be really nice for a 1 hour bullish divergence. Of course, that might not happen, and you know, we might end up just coming up from here, having put in a low, taking out this low, and we might just get a move up from there. I'm not really sure, but on a larger time frame, we could see that our most important area of resistance above us right now is this daily and point of control. If we can come above here, then I'm looking up here to this golden pocket. And if we come above that golden pocket, well, then I think we can be looking for levels that are up higher, back where we rejected the first time. But if we lose, and this is important, so if we lose this area here as our support, then I'm looking for lower levels, and we do have some lower levels below us. I wasn't expecting all this volatility today. I'm glad that I happened to get in on the action just because I was there doing my TA for the day as I was watching these things play out. Yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at, guys. Let's like the video. If we can get this thing up to 750 likes during the stream, I will absolutely give away 0.025 Bitcoin. Shout out to Daily Dose of Crypto, who's long. That's cool. That's cool. I'm unfortunately I'm not going to be able to trade much for the rest of the day. We do have the bullish divergences on the lower time frames now, though. That is undeniable. We have a clear bullish divergence here. So it might not be a bad time to be in a long. For me, I actually need to sit out for a while here. I do need to sit out for a while. After that, I'm going to just be satisfied with the gains that I've made here. And, yeah, this is crazy. This is pretty crazy. Yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick update for y'all. We do have the bullish div also on the 6 minute. I think if we can come above this this Fibonacci area, that would be for me more confirmation that we're coming up here. But yeah, what do I need to sit out? I just need to stay away from the charts for a little bit. Shalom Achi, Rabbi Eduardo, what's going on, my friend? Yeah, action camera long from 39K. I mean, yeah, that's kind of what that's kind of my plan. Awesome. Shout out to Crypto Dad in the Discord. By the way, guys, if you want to join the VIP Discord, you can do that by going to patreon.com/Jason Gasper. This is where I post some of my trade setups if I have time to post them. I also post daily technical analysis updates here. Like this morning, I was posting all this analysis before all the craziness happened, right? This is the last thing I posted. Also, Ethereum and altcoins as well. In fact, later today, look, I was in the middle of posting my Ethereum analysis here when all this stuff started to happen. So later today, I will be doing a VIP technical analysis stream where I'll be going over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then later this week we'll be going over at least 2 altcoins. The altcoin trades have been so juicy, guys. I mean, so juicy. The Solana trade, I'm still in the Solana short, by the way. That it was up almost 400%. It was a trade setup I posted the day that it played out. We found some resistances. We shorted it. It was really nice. Also, guys, if you want to learn all this stuff, technical analysis, lines, and Fibonacci, check out JasonCasperTrading.com. This is my course where basically it's everything I wish I had known before I started trading. This will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a more confident, profitable trader. There is a discount in the description of the video. Basically giving you all the tools you need so that you can actually start to do this and do it with longevity and manage your risk, manage your strategies so that you're putting the probabilities in your favor. Just posted a video last night about how to trade full-time, how to actually start trading full-time, and saying it's absolutely possible for anybody to do. But you have to put in the work, and you have to have a systematic approach to this. Otherwise, you absolutely will get wrecked. So yeah. Let's see what happens here as we come back down. Any green dots, Crypto Yacht? I don't know. Shout out to Taylor, who says it's the best Discord group ever. Yeah, I might do TA on VeChain. I very well may. Shout out to Mr. Mex4 and Michael Vukelik. Yeah, guys, let's pump the likes up. We have 400 people in here, only 140 likes. Let's get the likes up. I am, Right now, I'm currently only in a short position. We see the money flow starting to even curve under on the 3-minute. Even though we're getting these bullish divergences, it's really hard for me to say right now where I think price is going to go. But the only thing I will say is, now is the time where we can look for levels and then just wait for price to come to a level and trade the level. So if we do come up from here, we know that our retracement resistances will probably be around these fib levels here. We have a 382 level coming in right here. Of course, right now this 0.65 is acting as our resistance. And if we come lower, then we will be looking to the low of this wick here for a potential chicken drinking water setup. And then if we lose this, then I'm sure a lot of you know the levels that we're looking for down below. And for Ethereum, wow, it's crazy. So Ethereum is basically in a very similar situation to Bitcoin. Ethereum is currently now trading under this point of control, which is important. We had the local point of control for Ethereum that we have been unable to come above. This is the 8-hour time frame. So we rejected off this point of control 3 times. And now we're trading under this macro point of control. And we do have below us some areas of support that I'm looking to long if we come down lower, right? If we come down lower. We've got the wick right here. We also have a naked daily point of control right here at about 30.30 to potentially look for a bounce. The one thing I will say also is on the 1-hour time frame for Ethereum, it's possible that we do print some kind of an uneven butt cheek pattern here and to get a bounce to the upside. On the 24-minute, it's also very possible that we do get some kind of extremely bullish divergence here. We've already got the bullish divergences forming on the lower time frames because of the fact that, look at this, we put in our big BitBoy bottom, and now we're getting this this money flow curving up. This is the 12-minute, and we're about to print a trigger wave here, which actually gives us a double bullish divergence. I don't know if you can see that, but we put in a low with the big BitBoy dot, then we put in another. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, this was a higher low, but from here to here where we're currently at, it is possible we get a move to the upside from here. Just keep an eye on those divergences. We've got them for sure on the 3-minute time frame. The only thing that I would do is just be cautious because the only level we have here to trade is the fact that we have come down below this low, and then have some buy up here. But it's possible that we, do something like this and come down even more. So my plan is really just to have the levels on the chart marked out and then trade them. Yeah, shout out to Houston. I'm glad that you found value in the course, Houston. May the Lord bless you as well. Yeah, Crypto Yacht dropped some music. Would I long here? Yeah. I mean, well, obviously I can't tell y'all what to do, but it's definitely not. Okay, if you have a strategy and a plan that tells you to long here, then you should long here, and if not, then you should not. Okay, you should only long at all if it fits within your strategy. Okay, you should only long at all if it fits within your trading strategy, and if it doesn't, then you shouldn't be taking a trade. What you should do is you should do your technical analysis, and you should then come up with a plan, right? You should then come up with a plan and stick to that plan. Although I do see divergences here on the higher time frames. We do have upward momentum. We do have this nice wick here. So if it's in your strategy to take a long here, then by all means. But all right, guys. I'm sorry, but I have to peace out. I have to peace out early today. Could only do a very short stream. But I do pray that all of you are blessed. And like I said, later on today, in about 4 hours, less than that, 3 hours, I will be doing a VIP TA stream where we will be going into extreme detail on all these things. So may the Lord bless you and protect all of you in the name of Yeshua the Messiah. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.